That is such a good cookie. Make those. Make them.
Let's test another one of Mom's recipes to get the Dragonfly Cookbook ready to publish.
Traditional cookies are great, but I really like recipes that I can incorporate something else into. I bought too many sweet potatoes the other day. I'm recognizing a pattern. So let's make some sweet potato cookies. And for this project, we're bringing out the big guns. So I'm going to start by creaming my butter, my sweet potatoes, and my sugar together. And there are no eggs and no oil in this recipe. Our butter, sugar, and our sweet potato. By creaming those ingredients first, I'll be able to make sure that the potatoes don't have any lumps either. I know I'm gonna like this. It already smells like pumpkin. So now that I've creamed this up, I'm going to add my dry ingredients. Baking powder, baking soda, a pinch of salt, vanilla, cinnamon, and I'll slowly add my flour in a little bit at a time. Ooh, look at that. How did I get flour all the way up? Never mind, I'm not gonna ask. Look how nice that dough is. That's gonna be so tasty. And wait a minute, there's no eggs in here. Shh, don't tell anyone. I'm gonna test a couple of these and see how it goes. I'm gonna use my little ice cream scoop. Do a little bit of cinnamon magic on top. Now the real question is, there was no temperature or time. So I'm just gonna put them in at 350 and I will pull them out when they're done. I will let you know what that time is. 10 minutes works perfectly. I'm just gonna transfer these to my wire rack to cool.
If you use something other than a medium scoop, your baking time will be different, so just check them. You can also roll these in cinnamon and sugar, kind of like a snickerdoodle.
Our cookies are finished, and they look incredible. Let's take a bite. You can see little teeny tiny specks of sweet potato in there. That's a damn good cookie. The outside's nice and crunchy. Inside's nice and soft and has a little bit of a bite to it. It's chewy. I bet you could throw some chocolate chunks in here and no one would ever know that it was sweet potato. Oh, some of these with your morning coffee? I'm going to a Purim party today, and I wanted to give you another update on these cookies. The last batch I made for a party last week. Gone. People were completely shocked that there were sweet potato cookies. And I made another batch for this party. And I still have sweet potatoes left. Happy Purim! Bye!
This one definitely gets a gold star from me, and I'll put a couple of modifications in the cookbook. Thanks for watching, and check out more videos on YouTube. Love you!